All right, we took one trade today, and let's go over the bias. Took one trade, and it was a beauty. Not gonna lie, it was a high conviction, high confidence, high probable trade. Let's go over the bias. We pre-market. We went on the 4 hour. We swept this low. 4 hour wasn't really telling me too much. It was just telling me that we were bullish on the 4 hour, and on the 1 hour we were bearish at the time. And we swept these lows. And what I saw in ES, where's my ES chart? I guess I'm just pull it up on here. Do I high key wanna hold on, let me pull up trading view because I was like I was charting on there. Wait, did I? Oh, it's right here. Okay, yeah. Let me get this all set up. All right. Oh. All right. Yeah, so I charted on both top step X and trading view. Trading view is just I'm familiar with, not really used to top step. And like you can't do the split screen, or I don't know how to do it with two different charts. Someone please tell me. But yeah, where were we? We were in the 1 hour. We swept some lows on NQ. I saw we didn't sweep them yet. We had a potential SMT. And that's exactly what we had. SMT, high time frame SMT. So I mean, you know what time it is. And then we scaled down, we had also SMT right here. I mean, it's the same. Well, no, it's not. So we swept these pre-market lows as soon as market open. Where's my line, bro? And we didn't get to sweep these lows on ES, so I was like, all right, I'm looking for an entry now on NQ. So I didn't see anything on the 1 minute. If this closed above right here, I was gonna enter. And I was so tempted to enter right here. I was like kind of frustrated. I was like, bruh, are you serious? Because I mean, this is high conviction. I was pretty sure we were gonna go along, like have this huge placement up to the upside. But we didn't. We just get a breaker structure. We don't get an invalidation. I was definitely gonna enter on that. So I was like, let me go on some different time frames. Nothing on the 2 minute really. 3 minute, yeah. But I don't like to see like there's many times where I've entered and we barely close. Honestly, this is still valid, but you know, I wanted to be 100% sure. So I went on the 5 minute, and we have this good looking fair value gap that we invalidated. Actually, it was I had to wait 1 or 2 more minutes to the close, to the candle close, and have my stops like I'm not too sure. I'm pretty sure it was either right here or I think it was right here for better risk to reward. But I wanted to target this high. We smacked it, and also wanted to target these highs that I really wanted to get hit, and they did. And we got a nice risk to reward. Let's go back on top step. And yeah, we just absolutely executed. Let's show executions. Yes. Here we go. So originally when we entered on this close, we had 2 contracts in. Why is it white? 40. Come on, bro. Yeah, so we had 2 contracts, and we were like kind of consolidating at our break even, or at our entry point. Yeah, break even point. So I decided once we hit when we came back and hit break even, I was gonna enter 2 more contracts. So there we go. We added 2 right here. We can go on the 1 minute. Added 2 when I saw 0. I was like, all right, I'm adding 2 contracts. So now we're at 4. Up until this point, we took profits at these equal highs. We took 1 contract off at these highs and then let our runners go all the way to our final take profit. So, I mean, it was just beautiful. I'm not even going to lie. I'm not even going to cap to you. This was a beautiful trade. Up on the account 547. I think we need it. Yeah, our profit target's 3,000 for the 50K. And yeah, that's about it. 50, but we can't really think about that right now. All we have to do is just take one day, one trade at a time, and be patient. And we get rewarded most of the time. And obviously today's a green day. Well, not obviously, because you could still win and not have a quote unquote green day. Green day is following your plan, following your rules. That's just what I'm striving for at this point. Obviously I want to win. I want to be green. Obviously, who wouldn't? But can't think like that. We gotta just try to be green on the day, every day we come in the market. Either that means we take a trade or we don't take a trade. We follow our rules, follow our plan, patience, and yeah. Today we got rewarded, so just beautiful, man. We can go on the stats. This looks good. Obviously, this is probably. I mean, I don't want to say that. Actually, I'm not gonna say it. But this looks good. Yeah. So I've always wondered why when people show this, like they take so many trades, but I guess when you get out of position, they count that as a trade. Like if you take a profit, it counts as a trade. But still, that doesn't justify. I see people like with 50 trades, and I guess I get it if they're like a scalper or something, but I don't know. That's just a crazy amount to me. I want to go in my other Top Step thing. Let me give me a second. The main top screen or Top Step screen. This is Top Step X. I don't think it's gonna update it. I think it updates. Yeah, there it is. It updates at the end of the day. I assume. But yeah, I mean, I don't really have anything else. Here we go. 3,000. Our maximum loss limit's gonna go up since how it's calculated. It's calculated by your best day minus your maximum loss limit, I think. So it'll be like whatever I gained or whatever I have right now minus whatever. I don't know. I'm not even gonna try to calculate it, but yeah, it was just a beautiful trade, and just want to say I'm proud of myself for just following my rules. That's it. And being green, having green days, no matter what the P&L says at the end of the day. So it's 9 minutes now. I don't really have anything else to say. That's gonna be it for the month of November. That's a good way to end off a bad month of price action. So next week is looking brutal. Jesus. Which is good because I don't even know right now, but I don't even know if I plan on trading next week and the next, because I'll be so busy with finals. I mean, I really want to make myself available, but things happen in life, and Who knows? Tuesday doesn't look bad. Monday doesn't look too bad. Not waiting for that member to speak though. Wednesday looks like hell. Maybe after Mr. Powell speaks, but honest, Thursday looks good. And Friday doesn't look too bad. I wish we didn't have those orange folders, but what are you gonna do? But I don't think I have anything else I want to say. Yeah. W trade. Goodbye.